CHOMPI doesn't stop at sampling sounds. It can also shape them into something totally new. In this video, we're going to level up with CHOMPI's built-in effects and demonstrate how they can transform your samples. CHOMPI's effects section includes 3 tools that work together to shape and color your sound: the magic wand, a tape saturation, and a multi-mode filter. You can use them one at a time or combine them to create rich, layered textures. Here's a dry sound, no effects added yet. Now, let's turn on all 3 effects to see how they change the sound. Let's break each effect down. The first effect is called the magic wand, denoted by this blue LED. It's a dreamy combination of delay and reverb. Turn this knob to introduce the delay. As we continue to turn the knob, the delay gets combined with a cavernous reverb, washing your sound in a soft, ambient bath. Hold Shift and turn the knob to adjust the delay time. The magic wand can be used to create anything from tight, rhythmic delays to dense layers of sound. If you find yourself getting swept over by the swells, holding Shift and clicking the encoder will take you back to your original, unaffected sound. When you've had your fill of pillowy ambience, push the effect encoder without holding Shift to go to the next effect page, tape saturation, with the yellow LED. CHOMPI's tape saturation adds warmth and lo-fi pitch modulation, emulating an old tape machine. At lower settings, it gives a subtle, warm boost. But crank it up, and you'll get an overdriven sound. Holding Shift and turning the knob will add wow and flutter to your sound. Do you notice how the pitch kind of wobbles? At low levels, the wow and flutter gives your sound some subtle motion, but can also take you to uneasy, broken territory, if that's what you're looking for. The third effect is CHOMPI's filter. CHOMPI's filter works a little differently than the last 2 effects. With the reverb and saturation, turning the knob clockwise increases the effect, while counterclockwise will decrease the effect's intensity. With the filter, turning the knob clockwise controls the high-pass filter, cutting out lower frequencies for a thinner sound, and counterclockwise will control the low-pass filter, dulling the sound by filtering out higher frequencies. So we'll start with the low-pass filter. Turn the knob counterclockwise and notice the higher frequencies of your sound are being filtered out. Turn the knob clockwise past the middle, neutral sounding position of the knob, and you can begin to hear the high-pass filter do its thing. Holding Shift while turning the knob controls the amount of resonance or emphasis of the filter's frequency. This will create a pronounced boost at the cutoff point of the filter, which will result in a more overt effect. It's easier to hear than talk about. Filtering can give your sound a different character entirely. The low-pass filter will make sounds indistinct and mellow, while the high-pass filter is great for creating a distant and cold quality. Try combining different effects in different ways to see what happens. We'll explore even more in future videos, but for now, have fun experimenting.